Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro, and Xiaomi 12X were launched at a press event in China on Tuesday, December 28. Let's unbox the Xiaomi 12 first. It is a 128GB and 8GB RAM variant. The key specifications are on the screen and detailed specifications on the description. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, Adreno 730 GPU, along with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It has a 4500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging and 50W fast wireless charging. It also has 10W reverse wireless charging. The hand feel is really premium and elegant. Let's turn this on. It has speaker grills on both sides for a stereo speaker. The Xiaomi 12 series comes with features including a hole-punch display design protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, triple rear cameras, and 5G connectivity. It has 6.28 inches, OLED, 120Hz, HDR10+ display. Its body is 8.5mm thick and 180 grams weight. It has triple rear cameras. A 50-megapixel primary, a 13-megapixel 123 degrees field of view ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel telephoto macro. Xiaomi 12 comes with a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front. It has support for stagger HDR and artificial intelligence-based beautification features. Other features are an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, USB Type-C 2.0, stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack. Now let's unbox the Pro variant. It is also 128GB and 8GB RAM variant. The Xiaomi 12 series comes with features including a hole-punch display design protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, triple rear cameras, and 5G connectivity. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, Adreno 730 GPU, along with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It has a 4500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging and 50W fast wireless charging. It has speaker grills on both sides for a stereo speaker. It has triple rear cameras. A 50-megapixel primary, a 50-megapixel 115 degrees field of view ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto macro. Its weight 205 grams. It has the best display you have ever seen on a smartphone. It has a 6.73-inch WQHD+, 1440 by 3200 pixels, E5 LTPO AMOLED display with 1500 nits of peak brightness and a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate. The display also has a 480Hz touch sampling rate and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It's available in 4 colors: black, green, blue, and pink. Lastly, let's unbox the Xiaomi 12X. It is also 128GB and 8GB RAM variant. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 875G, 7nm processor and Adreno 650 GPU. "12X has no charger in the box, sad." It has 6.28 inches, OLED, 120Hz, HDR10+ display. It has a 4500 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging. It has triple rear cameras, a 50-megapixel primary, a 13-megapixel ultrawide, and a 5-megapixel telephoto macro. Its variants are 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM with storage type of UFS 3.1. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.